Yeah. But the extra challenge with this is, because you go into music and that, yeah. So, yeah. If you, while you're doing the maneuver, start to finish, rap as well.
Let's do it.
Rap, sing, whatever you do, yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I love music, man. This is what I'm here for. This is what
Obviously,
I'm
it's not going to be easy because you're going to have a lot of attention there on the maneuver and the rapping. But yeah, I think it'll be interesting. Let's see how you cope.
Well, I'm here for a practical test, but I'm always here as an artist.
Good. So, yeah, start
cool.
whenever you're ready.
Alright. So you're gonna have me rap it. So I'm actually just.
However you want to rap it. You can have some music.
No, you know. Okay, safe.
You could have some music playing and you can rap it to that as well.
Cool. You know, yeah. Just for a bit of assistance, because I've seen people fail this without having to say a thing. So just for a bit of assistance, I'm gonna play the music in the background and I'm gonna rap the lyrics as much as possible to the lyrics whilst I'm performing this thing that gives people serious faults.
Yep.
Alright, cool then.
Cool. Do me a favour. Switch off the engine first. That's it.
Got ya. This is fun, you know.
Well, soon find out.
Yeah, we'll see if I'm upset at the end of this. Alright, cool. Okay, we can start off with this one.
Cool. So start when you're ready, please.
Okay then. Aye. Step to the dance, but the gang ain't dancing. I would've allowed him and never said pardon. Hell, life fight ends in sparrings. When you take a trip to the Boomtown Garden, and Violet get turned to a target, darling. Trying to say that I look harmless. I can't believe he's on it. Hops and drilling, he posts, he's talking. I'm a businessman, but convention just stopped in my veins. And back in the day, trying to cut me a blade, but boss man said I was too underage. And darling keeps trying to run games, creeping away at the talking stage. Latex gloves and the mask on face, come hop in the coupe and ride on a wave. She asked if I speak in Spanish, I told her it's a Persian bar. Sometimes like screaming gang shit, and bro like screaming FA, man. Oh, this geezer from go away. Sorry, I'm so sorry about him.
Don't worry, carry on.
Alright. Okay, cool. Step to the dance, but the gang ain't dancing. I would've allowed him and never said pardon. Hell and I fight in the sparrings. When you take a trip to the Boomtown Garden, and Violet get turned to a target, darling. Trying to say that I look harmless. I can't believe he's on it. Hops and drilling, he posts, he's talking. I'm a businessman, but gang shit's just stuffed in my veins. And back in the day, trying to cut me a blade, but boss man said I was too underage. And darling keeps trying to run games, creeping away at the talking stage. Latex gloves and a mask on face, come hop in the coupe and ride on a wave. She asked if I speak in Spanish, I told her it's a Persian bar. Sometimes I like screaming gang shit, I roll like screaming Zahar. Sometimes I like keep reciting, it's the main thing goes too far. I won't deal with a broken heart, might fight therapy for my mental scars. If she brings two friends, turn one into three. Risky feet, she turned around 180 degrees. My boss, he said it gets like that, like it is what it is, but it's not what I need. I'm kinda done with doing them favors, cause no one's gonna do them for me.
They are not motivated, they are so full of intangible.
Was on the other side riding. I told this YG, hop out the ride if you ain't got beef with the ops one's fighting. If you get caught, 6 points in my license. And watch trying to aim for the back, she knows what it is, trying to squeeze my biceps. It's the Boomtown district, it gets kinda bait in town. Whoa.
I would say more, but I can't even go there.
We got good girls, we got hoes here.
We got family members,
Pagans, high crime rates and a lot more foes here. If I had me a two-face mask, I'd be everywhere and nowhere. Have you ever had beef with your girl? You slide P chats and she keeps on typing. You never had beef with your monkey in the kitchen and the whole room silence.
It's in a group of
5 times 2, if 2 brings the 4, that group is dividing. And the rules in his art of war, so hop off the fence with suddenly siding.
That was good timing, just when the music stopped.
Yeah. I don't think you're understanding how much my heart was racing from that.